Hi everyone, I hope your day is going literally amazing. Today I'm in a total cleaning mood. I'm just using my favorite microfiber cloth. No harsh sprays or chemicals today because honestly, sometimes all you need is a good damp cloth and a little bit of elbow grease. I take my damp cloth and start with these long smooth strokes. You want to make sure you're getting into all the corners and catching every little spot. I'm going over the glass, the handle, and even the racks inside, just making sure everything feels fresh. If there's a stubborn spot, I just use a bit more pressure and do small circular motions. It's low-key therapeutic to see the grime just disappear. I make sure to wipe down every single surface I can reach. And slay. Look at that shine. Even without any fancy sprays, she's literally glowing. It feels so much better now that everything is wiped down and looking fresh. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. You guys are the absolute best and I'm sending you all so much love. Don't forget to make your space feel cozy today. Catch you in the next one.